Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a new unboxing. It's cosmetics. Okay, let's open it up. I bought online because as you know we are now in a lockdown and I can go shopping and I need this. Just cut it, this tape. Ta-da! Another paper bag. It's from El Corte Inglés, a Spanish department store. First, inside has this catalog from furniture home. The present is free. And now let's open this one. It's very close. It's very hard. Let's start. Ta-da! I bought this Persian deep cleansing soap from the men's section. What is here? The information. Friends, in one quick step. This 2-in-1 creamy cleansing exfoliator without glazes. Impossible to read anything. You can see here. Exfoliator effectively cleanses and purifies the skin, remove the surface skin cells, and deep cleansing pores. Leaves the skin smooth, feeling fresh, and help prevent redness or irritation caused by shaving. Refresh the complexion. Rinse with water. Here is made in France. Let's open it up. And ta-da! And what is inside? What else? This is a present for buying online. Otro cadeau for him. It's for my husband. The same exfoliating cleanser, aftershave smoother, and super moisturizing gel. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.